Hi friends, welcome back to Amma's Nalabaga. Today I'm bringing a mouth-watering South Indian special chicken chops served with crispy dosa, rich, spicy and so comforting. This combination is going to steal your heart, so let's jump straight into the cooking. Take 800 grams of chicken and wash thoroughly in water with a pinch of turmeric and some salt. Take a pan, heat 2 teaspoon oil and add 1 sliced onion to it. Then add 5 green chilies, 20 to 25 garlic clove, small cinnamon stick, 5 clove and 2 teaspoon peppercorns. Fry well for 3 to 4 minutes, then turn off the heat. Once it cools down, transfer it to the mixer jar, then add 1 inch ginger chopped, 1 cup grated coconut and some coriander leaves. Add little water and grind it to a smooth paste. Take a cooker, heat half cup of oil, add 1 small onion chopped and fry until golden brown. Add clean chicken with 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, mix them well and cook for 2 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Now add the grinded paste. Mix it so that the masala coats the chicken well. Pour half glass of water and cook for 2 minutes. Finally add salt to taste, mix it well, close the lid and cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Heat a dosa tawa, pour a ladle of batter and spread it thin in circular motion. Drizzle a few drops of oil, cook until crispy and golden. Your flavorful chicken chops is ready. Place hot crispy dosa on a plate and serve it with generous portion of chicken chops. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Amma's Nalabaka. Thank you for watching. See you soon with another dish.